So basically you place this thingy around all things that are not that do not look like your mummy. It's perfect for parents and toddlers group or carers and toddlers groups. And then you just say they're too, I don't know, young, or they're too, and then an adjective, color, texture, or material, shape, etc., etc. And it's obviously based on the very famous booklets that you see around, the That's Not My series. And have fun and show me how you used it. You can find it on my Teachers Pay Teachers, and let me know. I almost forgot, it's a super inclusive activity because there's also grandma, sister, daddy, aunt, brother, and uncle, and grandpa. So if you can't use mommy for obvious reasons, then you have a whole set of family members to choose from.